Alright, so my latest Jeep project is installing my LOD Signature Series mid width bumper, and for that I had to use the LOD vacuum pump relocation kit, because otherwise the vacuum pump would have been in the way of the winch. Got a couple red D-rings, a Smittybilt XRC9500 winch. And what I just finished up, the last piece, was the LOD skid plate that goes with this bumper. It's kind of probably a little hard to see, but it was a pretty easy install. Just had to drill one hole in the frame, and that was it. But it looks pretty good. And thanks to my buddy Andy, who I basically just ripped off and got the exact same stuff as him.